If you're looking at a modern gaming desktop that doesn't just promise performance but actually delivers it in every possible way, this is one of those systems that immediately stands out. This is the MSI Aegis ZS2 C9NVV gaming PC, built for high-end gaming, streaming, and heavy creative workloads, all in a pre-built package that saves you the trouble of assembling everything yourself. At first glance, the design is exactly what you'd expect from a serious gaming tower. It's aggressive enough to feel like a gaming machine, but still clean and controlled enough to sit in a professional setup without looking out of place. The RGB lighting is there, but it's not overwhelming. It adds character without turning the whole system into a distraction. Airflow is clearly a priority in the chassis design, which is important when you're dealing with high-performance components running under load for hours. Inside, the system is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor. This is a high-performance CPU designed for modern gaming and multitasking. It handles demanding games with ease while also keeping background tasks smooth. Whether you're gaming, streaming, running creative software, or switching between multiple workloads, the system stays responsive without hesitation. Paired with that is one of the biggest highlights of this build, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. This is where the gaming experience really steps into the next level. High frame rates, ultra settings, and advanced rendering features like ray tracing are all handled smoothly. Games look sharper, lighting feels more realistic, and performance stays stable even in graphically intense scenes. It's the kind of GPU that's built not just for today's games, but for the next generation of titles as well. Memory also plays a huge role here, and this system comes equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz. That means faster data access, smoother multitasking, and zero struggle when you have multiple heavy applications open. Gaming while streaming, editing while rendering, or simply multitasking across productivity tools feels effortless. Storage is handled by a 2 TB solid-state drive, which gives you both speed and capacity. Boot times are fast, games load quickly, and transferring large files doesn't feel like a waiting game. It also gives you enough space to install a large library of modern AAA games without constantly worrying about deleting old ones. In real-world performance, everything feels immediate. Applications open quickly, games launch without delay, and switching between tasks is seamless. The system is tuned for consistency, so even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, performance remains stable. Thermals and airflow management are also clearly well thought out. The internal cooling design helps keep temperatures under control, which ensures that the CPU and GPU can maintain high performance without unnecessary throttling. That's a big deal for anyone planning to push this system for extended gaming or content creation sessions. This desktop is clearly aimed at gamers who want top-tier performance without building a custom PC. It also makes sense for streamers, video editors, and creators who need reliable rendering power and smooth multitasking. It's not just about raw specs, it's about a system that stays consistent under pressure. What makes it even more appealing is that it's ready out of the box. No compatibility checks, no assembly process, no troubleshooting builds. You plug it in and you're already working with high-end hardware. If you're upgrading from an older system or stepping into high-performance gaming for the first time, this is one of those machines that immediately removes limitations. It's built to keep up with modern demands and still have headroom for future software and game releases. For anyone serious about gaming performance, smooth multitasking, and long-term reliability in a pre-built setup, this is definitely worth a closer look. You can find more details and purchase options through the link in the description.